Hello, welcome back to WIZnet TV. If you need a high-performance Ethernet chip for your embedded system, look no further than the W5300 TOE. WIZnet TOE is a wired TCP/IP embedded Ethernet controller that provides users with easy and effective Ethernet connection. To start using W5300, you would need an MCU that supports 8 or 16-bit parallel bus interface. Note that in sample code that WIZnet provides, 16-bit parallel bus is used for communication between STM nuclear boards and W5300 TOE-Shield. To use 16-bit bus in STM32, it is required to make some hardware adjustments. As UART3 PD8, PD9 are set for ST-Link, we need to set them to C10, C11 for FMC. To do so, remove the resistors from SB5 and SB6 and connect CN5 pin with W5300 TOE UART. WIZnet provides sample code for C, Arduino and MicroPython. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating MicroPython code. Now, let's set up the environment. MicroPython firmware can be cloned from WIZnet official repository. Please select the right firmware for your board and clone the given code using Git. Upload the firmware to STM board using STM flash loader. Upload the lib directory to STM board. For this video, we'll be using TOE IDE. Now let's start from simple ping test. Upload the main.py file from the ping blink directory. Enter the desired network information in the setIP function. Open a command window and ping the entered IP and check the operation message. If it doesn't work, double check your network environment and settings again. Let us know if it is hard to create a project with our examples and references. Check out these and other sample projects at the maker site. Subscribe to WIZnet TV and stay tuned. Create your own high-performance Ethernet device with WIZnet TV. Thank you.